A coin of 45 mm rolls along a straight line without slipping. Draw a curve traced out by point P. Autocad. After all the basic commands, take circle. The radius of the circle 22.5 mm. Enter. Then calculate the circumference of the circle, that is 141.3 mm. Then draw the radius line. Then using array command, polar array, select object. This is the center point, pick enter. This change it to problems 8 seconds. Then take line, draw the line that is equal to circumference 141.3 mm. Command box, type P enter, that is point type. So select any one. I select this one, pick OK. Then using divide command, divide line 8, so line number of segment 8, enter. Then select single line test, pick here, says the height is 4 and angle 0, type capital P, here Q, give the number in anti-clockwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. One dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash up to 8 dash. You have to give numbers 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash. It is center line. So take line, the height is 45 mm. So give 45, enter, and join this line and draw the center line here. 5, 3 lines and 7, 1 line, the horizontal lines. Then again you have to divide the center. So divide option, div, enter, select center line, that is also 8 segments. 8, enter. It is C1, C2, C3 up to C8. This center 1, center 2, center 3, like this. Okay. Copy the circle, then put enter. Select the midpoint and copy the circle here and here. Up to 8 circles in 8 center points. Now the intersects points, we have to note it. So select alternative circle, change color, because for easy known purpose we have to change the color. Okay, I will select yellow color here and type PO, enter, specify the point. Okay, the first intersection line with number 1 here, and second intersection line with the curve, this is third one, fourth with fourth, then fifth right hand side we have to note it. So fifth here, then sixth circle with the sixth point, seventh with seventh point, and eighth with eighth point. This is point notation. We got to use tab option. Okay, select the circle and delete all the circle. Delete. Then using spline command, spline enter, join all the lines from 8p to next one, next one, next one. While using p, here C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, etc. Next, involute of square. Draw the involute of square with side 25 mm. Assume the bounded end of in backward direction. Okay, this diagram you have to draw. Okay, involute of square. This is ABCD circle. Square. Okay, after the basic command, take square. Pick here 25, 25. Enter. It is ABCD. Okay, take line, here it is 25, enter, ortho on, take line ortho on 25, enter, then take line from here to here 50, enter, then next point 75, enter, from here to 100, enter. And very easy to draw the curve. Take circle, radius of circle 25, enter. Using trim command, select this line and this line, enter, delete unwanted curve, and escape. Take again circle from the center point to 50, radius, enter, then take trim command, select these two lines, pick enter, unwanted curve, delete. So again take circle from this center point to 75 mm radius, as like trim command, select line, enter, delete unwanted line, again take circle from here to radius 100, enter, using trim command, select two line, enter, select unwanted. This is the envelope of circle. Select this circle, envelope of square, sorry, line weight option, again take line weight, display line weight, okay, then mark the dimensions and all dimensions are in etc, etc. Radius, mention all the curved radiuses. annotate dim style, modify. If not given, you have to given, or otherwise it is okay. Initially 5, so set current, close, mark the dimensions, etc. Linear dimensions, this is the involute of square. If you have any doubt, please ask in comment box. I think in previous one you have a doubt for marking point, that is easy one. Write PO, enter, just click the mark and again tab na, again it will go the, okay, thank you.